Welcome to my world! Let's learn together!
Playing outside in the sunny wood, fun in the mud, feeling so good. Look at the cake on the wooden table. Wait, Zuno, are you able? Look at your paws, oh dear, tiny purple germs are dancing here. Pump the soap, soft and white, rub your paws with all your might. Rub the palm, rub the back between the paws. Stay on track, spin the thumbs, wash the germs away. Bubbles floating up, hip, hip, hooray. Rinse with water, smooth and clear. Watch the bubbles disappear. No more germs, no more dirt. Clean and fresh, no hands get hurt. Look at my paws, glowing bright, shining in the warm sunlight. Now we can sit by the wooden chair, share the sweet cake everywhere. Clean paws, healthy body. Wash your hands every single day. Keep the tiny germs away. Bye-bye.
Keep your paws clean like me. It keeps your whole body healthy. Let's all do it.